Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am playing in colors right now. So I wanted to show you guys the biggest difference. This is all the Wet n Wild, all of these colors, the liquid eyeshadows that they sell online or in the stores for $5. And I want you to see how after, so this is, my back of my hand is acting as my eyelid, because your eyelid is flexible. So your back of your hand is flexible too. So I want you to kind of see, look at this, how after the colors they dry down, they become like, they almost make my hand look aged. You see this? Because they get very, very chunky. So when the eye is very tight and flexible, but then when you blink, look at this. Like, look how aging that looks. Same thing with these two shades here. That is by ColourPop. Now, everybody raved about these ColourPop and Wet n Wild when they came out, only because there was nothing on the market that, you know, was similar and glittery like the Stila. Now we go over here, and this on the top row right here is all the Milani. The Milani lip toppers, right? Lip toppers that I'm using as an eyeshadow. Look at this. So when I flex this way, it is not nearly as chunky. When I flex, you guys can see the difference. This is much, much smoother. Wet n Wild becomes chunky and aging to my hand. But over here, it's not as chunky. And on the bottom here is obviously the top of the line Stila eyeshadows. Look at how smooth if we were to compare back to back, you know. Let's go like this so you guys can see the wrinkles in my hand. Huge, huge, huge difference. Huge difference. I just wanted to turn on the camera and tell you guys, yes, I understand that the Stila eyeshadows are $25 each. These are the mini Stilas. You get 4 for like $20. But the Milani lip toppers are exactly like the Stila. So worth your money. I mean, I have tried to work with the Wet n Wild ones for a while now, and there's no, I just can't do it. And then when you start touching them, they start to flake off, obviously. Like, I just did that a little bit, and you see some dark pigment in my hand there. They start to flake off really, really easy, and they're aging to the eyes. So I'm actually going to say, don't get it, you know. Everybody loved it at one time, not anymore. But I do want to show you guys this hack really quick. If it works, I'm going to try this hack. I haven't heard anybody do this. So these bad boys are very, very expensive. They are $25 for the larger Stila eyeshadow. But I'm very upset because I've only used this a few times. And you guys can see right there, it started drying out. When I say drying out, you still see the glitter and everything, but it is getting dry. So hopefully this works. I got some Bosch and Lom. This is just the Cleanse, Disinfect, Rinse, Store soft contact lenses. This is kind of like saline solution. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour just a few drops, 3, 4, 5. 5 drops in here and shake it up. And let's see. I don't know. Let's see if I just screwed up my eyeshadow. Oh my gosh. Do you see? Oh my gosh. That's where I told you it was drying. That's where it came out. Oh my goodness. Like night and day. Now does it dry down? Let's see. This multi-purpose solution just saved me a lot of money. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. Yeah, look, it's totally drying down. Look at that. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the little subscribe button and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.